TechEmpire presents the top 5 best car wash soap in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 1, Mother's California Gold Carnauba Wash and Wax. There are two sides to the Carnauba wax debate, but any wax on your vehicle is better than none. Washing and waxing your vehicle at the same time is a great way to efficiently clean your vehicle, which is one of the main reasons we chose this product from Mother's. That, and the brand is known for putting out quality products that make a big difference when it comes time to compare the before and after. Priced affordably, Mother's Carnauba Wash and Wax can be diluted to your personal specifications and provides a clean surface after it's wiped away. The product is safe to use on all exterior surfaces, even your wheels and tires. There are a variety of other Mother's products you can pair with this wash and wax, but even alone it is a great way to protect your investment. For example, the car soap has a pH-balanced and biodegradable formula, so you won't have to worry about flushing it down the drain. It also leaves behind a streak-free finish. Because Mother's provides a washing and waxing formula, both processes aren't necessarily going to be at their most efficient. Washing a car scrubs everything you don't want off the paint surface, while waxing seals in everything beneath it. That means you'll likely want to pair this product with a regular waxing routine for optimal results. With some trial and error, any driver can easily use Mother's California Gold Carnauba Wash and Wax. Number 2. Adam's Car Wash Shampoo. Adam's Car Wash Shampoo is a budget-friendly product worthy of your attention. Thanks to the pH-neutral formula, it's safe to use on different surfaces and ensures excellent cleaning results. Due to the high efficiency and easy application, you'll enjoy using the shampoo for cleaning your vehicle. The shampoo allows you to wash your vehicle in direct sunlight and get rid of all that excessive road dirt, bugs, grime, and more. The formula creates a slick film that lubricates the paintwork and safely works to protect the surface from damage. You can use it on rubber, vinyl, windows, and plastic. Overall, you'll achieve excellent cleaning results with Adam's Car Wash Shampoo without spending tons of cash. However, keep in mind that you might need to use a lot of product to remove stubborn stains and heavy dirt. Applying just a little of the liquid probably won't get the job done. Also, many buyers complained about the design of the bottle. It has an awkward cap that might get loose and leak, so make sure to store it properly. Number 3. Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. If you're searching for a car wash kit that will help you with general vehicle maintenance, this might be the perfect one for you. From detailed cleaning to quick washing and waxing, the Aero Cosmetic Kit provides excellent results in the long run. With this kit, you can clean and coat your vehicle's surface, removing dirt, grime, and other harmful residue. The formula also protects your vehicle from UV rays. It allows for both wet and waterless washes, so you can use it anywhere and anytime. The water-based formula doesn't contain alcohol or ammonia, which means it's perfectly safe for all vehicle parts. It also doesn't cause skin irritation, so you don't have to worry about your health and safety. Lastly, the kit includes a 1-gallon car wash, a 16-ounce wax spray for microfiber towels, and a comprehensive manual. All in all, it's everything you need for application. However, keep in mind that the product will probably leave an oily residue on your vehicle. It might be a little challenging to wipe it clean, which is a little bothersome regardless of the excellent finishing results. Also, make sure to wipe dry the surface right after the application because the cleaner might leave some streaks on windows. Number 4. Miguels Gold Class Car Wash. Miguels Car Wash is designed to help you remove dirt, annoying buildups, road grime, and contaminants. It's an efficient product that cleans without stripping wax protection and applies with ease. Buyers especially love how the product foams and rinses off. It allows for effortless cleaning and is rich with conditioners that make a vehicle's surface better looking. Overall, the product works gently to remove dirt without damaging the vehicle's surface. It's easy to use, safe, and an excellent option to use with a snow or foam cannon. You might want to avoid using it in direct sunlight though. If you don't rinse it off right after application, the product might leave some residue. It might even create a thin film you'll have to rub off. Another thing that might bother some users is the lack of super sparkling results. You'll probably need to apply wax for a shiny finish. Number 5. Armor All Foam Action Car Wash. This concentrated formula contains powerful cleaners that will lift away dirt and road grime. You'll appreciate the thick foaming action that will effectively clean without stripping away wax. It's safe for use on all of the vehicle's surfaces as well as clear coats. The result is a spot and streak-free shine. You'll like the thick foaming action. The concentrated formula also means that a single bottle will last longer because a little bit goes a long way. Choose from a single 64-ounce bottle or a pack of 4 bottles. One potential issue with this car wash is that it can leave a slight haze on the painted surfaces of your car. Also, because it's a concentrate, you need to get the right balance of soap to water, or it won't perform the way you want.